Kike. Right or left? Wait, what'd you send me 69 for? Oh, gotcha. Okay. 213. 1-1. Pick for you. Oh man. Okay, gotcha. Let's go with this one. Alright, this is the last one from that case right there. No, I'm serious. Probably not that high. Alright, here we go. Good luck, Kike. Gonna do the last box. Oh no, second to last box of WWE Hobby from that case. I don't know if you listen to Jeff. 120. Cedric Alexander, 72 of 199. See those cameras that go from on the top and they're like this? I don't know how they do that. And then they show off the card like this. Oh, we got a film sale. Undertaker versus Triple H. This is 200 of 299. WrestleMania 28. Don't need the base? Alright, Kike. Very nice. Aaron or Gabriel, you want the base? Zach, you want the base? Tommaso Ciampa. '20 of 25. Kofi Kingston defeats The Miz. 20 of 25. Nobody wants the base. Put it back in the base pack style. Big E wins the SmackDown Tag Team Championship for the New Day. Shelton Benjamin. Sup, John? Come on, red. Red. Terrible card. Cesaro and Shinsuke Nakamura win the SmackDown Tag Team Championships. Autograph. Should be the autograph. A couple lines on the sides. 170 of 299. Kevin Owens and Street Profits defeat Seth Rollins, Angel Garza, and Austin Theory. Dolph Ziggler and Robert Roode earn the advantage for Elimination Chamber match. Commander Aziz. No rookie logo on that one. They're so confusing with these people. I guess the rookies is the first card they show up on. That's a rookie card. Somebody asked Beckett how they determine who's a rookie in this thing. Hey Beckett, how do you determine who's a rookie in WWE? Maybe they had the sufficient matches to be called a rookie in that season and that year. What justifies a WWE rookie to Beckett? Get on it! Alright, here we go. Good luck. Autograph is Damian Priest. 69 of 99. Right in Funk's face. Very nice. Oh, this one was asleep. Look at that. So this one had the Damian Priest, the Shelton Benjamin, the Street Profits, Kofi Kingston, your Undertaker versus Triple H, and your Cedric Alexander out of 199. Thank you, Kike. Appreciate it, senor. They call me Big Sally. Big LA.